Ain't it fun? Living in every world. Ain't it good? Being all alone. Ain't it good to be on your own? Ain't it fun to kick out on no one? Ain't it good to be on your own? Ain't it fun to kick out on no one? Ain't it fun?
Hi, Lai! Happy 18th birthday! Oh my gosh, pwede na ka ma-preso. Wala ka. Dapat ilang ka mabinugay. Ay, check ka. Lai, since layo bang ko ninyo, no? I miss you so much. Di na ikaw, tanandira sa Iligan. And I hope you're doing well. And then, I hope you have a blast in your day. Kay, bunga good, 18 na good ka. Once in a lifetime. Duh. Once in a lifetime naman jud ka mag-18. And I hope you're doing well into your studies. Then I hope na you're going to have good health. And love! Happy birthday! Sorry kung wala ko dira kay, na education first check-up. Bitaw, pero happy 18th birthday, Lai. And thanks for the friendship and everything that we've done together. Love! Complete. Oh my gosh, how to do this shit. My heart! Just complete the heart. Whatever. Bye!
Hi, happy birthday and let the same life and same course, and I hope you can keep it up and aim high para sa iyong.
Hi, Lai. Happy birthday. Miss you. God bless.
Hi, Lai. Happy birthday. Take care. God bless. See you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Lizel Calyaw. Happy birthday, Lai. I miss you. Unta, ikaw raghapon tong si Lizel na ako. Ako classmate sa una. And unta na magkita ta dili ka snub. And God bless, Lai. And enjoy your day. Happy 18th birthday.
Okay na, son? Okay, go. Happy birthday, Lizel. Wish you all the best in life.
God bless.
Happy birthday, Lai! Wish you all the best. Stay as you are. Stay guapa, puutan, bright, stay Perima Libre. Kanang Lai, see you soon. I miss you so much. Regards sa ba ko ila, Anthony, Latina, Sarah, Kring, sa iyo diha, tanan. Happy birthday, Lai. Mali kami sa Jubayay, ho. Kaang-kaanda dyan. Bye-bye.
Hi, Lai! Happy birthday! Remember pa ka sa ako, no? Si Sobi ni 18 na ka, legal na ka, pareha na ka, mapisi na ka. And, good health, God bless, and, good health na, and more birthdays to come for you, and miss you na, kamo ka nang diha. Hi, guys! See you pag uli, and akong gift, don't forget. Happy birthday, Lai!
It's not working. Stop running. I know you want me. Let's start talking. Hey, 하는데 왜 자꾸 숨겨? 네가 날 좋아하는 게 이미 네 얼굴에 쓰여 있어. Hey, 나를 보다 왜 혼자만 시계를 되돌려 1년 전으로 갈 수 있다면 지금 우린 달라졌을까 이 바보 같은 소리지 그래도 만약 너를 만나면 눈물 차올라 바보 같은 난 아무 말 못해